Hello and welcome, Gilly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, if you didn't already know. And today I'm doing a little test pour with these lovely folk art metallics. And I'm just mixing those paints with Floetrol only. So no silicone or anything in those paints. And they are the folk art by Plaid colour shift metallics, so they're all a colour shift paint, so they're very glistening kind of colour shifting paints. So they're just mixed with Floetrol, and I'm just layering them. It's a puddle pour. I think you call this a puddle pour. I'm not up with all the names everybody calls them, so never mind. It's a paint pour. So I'm going to puddle my paint and all these little colours that I have made up from a previous pour, and I'm going to cover my top coat will be white, and I have actually made up a concoction. I was just chucking all sorts of things in the white base, such as my white acrylic paint by Global, then a bit of pearl, a white acrylic by Global, then some Floetrol, then some white enamel paint and a few other bits and bobs, and it was all an experiment to see if I could get any thing happening with. And what I was getting, or what I got on my previous pours with this experiment, is like gem-like effects, which I was very excited about. So I will just let you watch this develop and see what you think. So I'm not sort of wanting to put the exact ratios because I'm still in the experimental mode. I'm definitely not getting pearls, but I've not gone by anybody's pearl recipe. I've just tried to wing it and throw in a bit of this and a bit of that. I did write down on the bit of paper there what I threw in case I got something gorgeous. But I do like the end result, and I hope you will too. So enjoy! Wow. See, now we've got Gilly Gems. Kind of like a whole gem thing going on from that puddle pour. So quite happy with it, and I'm obviously going to let it dry. So there it is, just resting, drying, and I'm going to now start on a second piece with the same paints again, probably just layered in a different way. So these are the colour shift paints, just mixed with Floetrol only, and then just my concoction that I mentioned to you previous. So hope you enjoy this one. Gems. This is what I'm going to call it, Gilly's Gems, because they're certainly not pearls and they're not whatever, but they look like gems, like sapphires and rubies. Oh, this one, look, Gilly's Gems. Yeah, the colour is not showing through this camera as I'm looking at the actual work. It's not showing the same colours, so I'm going to call this Gilly's Gems through my experimenting, trying to get these gem-like clusters in there using some enamel paint and other ingredients which I will tell you all about. So there's two little paws there. So I hope you enjoyed today's little efforts on my art lab day. I will be putting photos at the end of the fully dry piece. So what I think I might do when they're fully dry, if that white void doesn't disappear, is I will use that to either stencil or hand draw something in, and then maybe resin these two little pieces, because I think they're really quite gorgeous in their own right as nice little gems anyway. Okay, I hope that you liked my little exploring today, or experimenting art lab day, and I will see you again tomorrow. So take care, you lovely people, and bye for now.